Over 70% of women wear the wrong bra size. Are you one of them? This startling statistic might just include you. Hi, I'm Shajan, and today I'm here to help you find your perfect bra size at home. Wearing the right bra size isn't just about looks or vanity. It's about comfort, health, and feeling your best. Many women don't realize their bra doesn't fit well, or they put up with daily discomfort without knowing a simple fit check could solve it. In this video, I'll explain why proper bra fit matters and give you a step-by-step guide to measure your bust and underbust with a tape measure. With a little patience and the right method, you can discover your true size right at home. No awkward fitting room visit needed. Let's get started on your journey to comfort and confidence. Wearing a bra that truly fits matters for so many reasons. Here are a few key ones. Comfort. A well-fitting bra can be so comfortable you hardly notice you're wearing it. It shouldn't be the first thing you want to take off when you get home. The right size supports you gently without poking, pinching, or riding up. On the flip side, an ill-fitting bra that digs into your skin or slips around is one of the most irritating feelings. Life's too short for uncomfortable bras. You deserve one that feels like a second skin. Posture and health. The wrong bra size can lead to real health issues. If your band is too loose, or your cups are too small, you're not getting proper support. This can cause you to hunch or adjust your posture to compensate, leading to back, neck, and shoulder pain. An improperly fitted bra might also chafe your skin and cause irritation or rashes. In fact, wearing the wrong size long-term can even make breathing less comfortable by constricting your chest, and it may strain the delicate ligaments in your breasts, contributing to pain or sagging over time. None of that is good for your body. Shape and confidence. A properly fitted bra supports your natural shape and can even improve your silhouette under clothes. When your bra fits well, your bust is lifted and supported in a way that complements your body's proportions. Your outfits will likely look and feel better. Plus, knowing you're wearing the right size can boost your confidence. You stand a little taller, literally thanks to better posture, and feel more at ease. In fact, a well-fitted bra can be your best friend. Once you find the correct size, you'll feel more comfortable, happier, and more self-confident. It's amazing what a difference the right fit can make for your self-esteem. Remember, wearing a bra that fits well is a form of self-care. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about taking care of your body's comfort and support needs. So if you've been tugging at your straps or enduring poking under wire, it's worth taking the time to check your size. Let's do that now. Measuring yourself at home is simple and empowering. All you need is a flexible measuring tape, and maybe a mirror or a helpful friend. Make sure you're in a comfortable private space. Ideally, wear a non-padded bra or no bra at all while measuring. You want your breasts in a natural position without extra padding in the way. Also, don't measure over thick clothing. A thin top or just your bra is best for accuracy. Now, I'll walk you through each step. Measure your band size, underbust. Stand up straight and wrap the measuring tape around your ribcage, just under your bust, where your bra's band normally sits. The tape should be snug and level all the way around your back and front. Don't pull it so tight that it digs in. You should be able to fit a couple of fingers underneath comfortably. Look in the mirror and check that the tape is parallel to the floor, not drooping or slanting. This measurement is your underbust. Note the number in inches or centimeters. If you're using inches and the number isn't a whole number, or if it's an odd number, like 33 inches, round up to the nearest even whole number. That rounded number will be your band size. For example, if the tape reads 33.5 inches, round up to 34. If it reads 31 inches, round up to 32. In some modern fitting advice, you can also round to the nearest whole inch if it's close. But traditionally, band sizes are even numbers. Write down your band size. This is the number part of your bra size, like the 34 in 34C. Next, measure the fullest part of your bust to find your cup measurement. Place the tape around your back and across the widest part of your breasts, usually at nipple level. Again, keep the tape level with the floor, not drooping down or hiking up in the back. The tape should be held gently against your body, not squeezing tight, but not slack either. A good tip is to ensure the tape just skims over your bust, meaning it's touching your body all the way around but not pressing in. Make sure you're standing naturally. Don't puff out your chest or slouch down. Take the number where the tape meets. This is your bust circumference. If it falls on a half inch or not a whole number, you can round to the nearest whole number for simplicity. For example, 37.5 inches can be considered 38 inches. 94.5 centimeters can be 95 centimeters. Write down your bust measurement. Calculate your cup size. Bust minus band. Now for a little simple math. Take the bust measurement in step 2 and subtract the band measurement in step 1. The difference between these two numbers determines your cup size. If you measured in inches, each 1 inch difference corresponds to 1 cup size up. In industry standard sizing, a 1 inch difference equals an A cup, 2 inches equals B cup, 3 inches equals C cup, 4 inches equals D cup, and so on. For example, if your bust is 37 inches and your band rounded is 34 inches, the difference is 3 inches. That's a C cup, meaning your bra size would be 34C. Another example, bust 39 inches minus band 34 inches equals 5 difference. That would typically be about a DD cup, sometimes called an E cup in certain sizing systems. A 6-inch difference would be roughly an DDD/F cup size in US sizing. Don't worry about the letters beyond D. Just know that the letters continue increasing as the difference grows. A difference of 0 inches would be A, or nearly no cup, and each extra inch steps up to A, B, C past D, into DD, DDD, etc. If you measured in centimeters, the same idea applies, about 2.5 centimeters of difference per cup size. Many European brands use a 2 centimeter increment per cup, so your cup letter might be determined by a size chart, for example approximately 2 centimeters difference for A, approximately 5 centimeters for B, approximately 7 to 8 centimeters for C, approximately 10 centimeters for D, and so on. The important part is that you use the difference to find the cup. Now combine your band number with the cup letter you found. Ta-da! That's your estimated bra size. For instance, if you measured a 32-inch underbust and a 37-inch bust, the difference is 5 inches. You'd likely be around a 3-2 DD, since 5 inches equals DD in many brands. If you got 28 inches underbust and 33 inches bust, that's also a 5-inch difference, giving a 2-8 DD. Notice that both examples have a 5-inch difference, 9 DD cup. But the overall bra sizes, 3-2 DD versus 2-8 DD, are different because the band sizes differ. This is a good reminder that cup size is relative to band size. A DD cup on a small band is not the same volume as a DD on a larger band, so always consider the number and letter together. Gentle reminder: don't be surprised if the size you calculate is different from what you've worn before. In fact, many women discover they should be wearing a very different size than they assumed, often a smaller band and larger cup. It's very common to be off by a size, or several. The numbers and letters are just a starting point. What matters is how you feel in the bra. Your new measurements are a guide to help you try on bras that actually support you. Now that you have your measurements and a suggested size, you're ready to try on a bra in that size, or close to it. When you do, keep these tips in mind. Band fit. The band should fit snugly around your rib cage. It provides most of the support. It should sit level across your back, parallel to the floor, and not right up. You want it firm, but comfortable. You should be able to slip 2 fingers underneath, but not much more. If the band is slipping, or you can pull it far away from your back, it's too loose. Try a smaller band size. If it's painfully tight, or you can't breathe comfortably, it's too small. Try a larger band. Cup fit. Your breasts should fill the cups without spilling over or gaping. The cup fabric should contain all your breast tissue. If you see bulging over the top or sides, the dreaded double boob, the cup is too small. If there's gaping or empty space, the cup might be too large, or maybe the bra style isn't right for your shape. The center of the bra, the gore between the cups, should lie flat against your breastbone if the bra fits correctly, especially in underwire bras. If it's sticking out or hovering, the cup might be too small, or the style may not suit your breast shape. Straps. Adjust the straps so they sit firmly on your shoulders without digging in. Remember, straps provide lift but shouldn't carry all the weight. The band does that. If the straps are falling down even when tightened, the band or cup might be off. If they dig in and leave painful marks, you might be relying on the straps too much, often a sign of a band that's too loose, making the straps overcompensate. Move around. Don't just stand there when trying a bra on. Move. Raise your arms, bend over, twist side to side. A good fit means the bra stays in place through your movements. The band shouldn't slide up, and your breasts should stay nicely in place in the cups. If anything shifts drastically or you pop out of the cups when you move, you may need a different size or a more suitable style. Be open to adjustments. Bra sizing can sometimes take a couple of tries. If your calculated size doesn't feel quite right, try a sister size. For example, if the cups fit but the band is too tight on a 34C, you could try a 36B. One band size up and one cup size down has a similar cup volume. Conversely, if the band is good but cups are small on a 34C, try 34D or 32D, depending on whether you need more cup or a tighter band. Every brand and style can fit a bit differently, so don't be discouraged. The goal is to find what feels best on you. Lastly, remember that breast size can change over time. Weight changes, pregnancy, breastfeeding, hormonal changes, or just age can all affect your bra size. It's a good idea to measure yourself again every 6 months to a year, or whenever your bras start to feel uncomfortable. There's no such thing as one perfect size forever. The perfect fit is what fits you now, and that can always be adjusted as needed. Through it all, be kind to yourself. Bra sizing can feel confusing or frustrating for many women, so if you're feeling a bit lost, that's okay. You're learning to listen to your body and give it the support it deserves. You deserve to feel comfortable and confident every day. With a bit of practice, you'll become your own bra fitting expert at home. And if you ever need an extra hand or a second opinion, I'm here for you. Need help? Message us on Facebook at Shajan Collection for a personalized fit check. We're happy to guide you one-on-one. Remember, the right bra can truly change your day-to-day life. No more constant readjusting or rushing to take it off. Let's make uncomfortable bras a thing of the past. Happy measuring. And here's to finding your perfect fit.